Look at this washing machine. It shakes very violently when it rotates like a tractor. Pay attention later. As long as the washing machine shakes violently during operation, the outer drum must shake as well. This is because the first reason is that the ground is uneven. Second, you have a straight drum. You should apply damping oil. This is a perfect solution to the problem of the washing machine shaking violently when washing clothes normally. The owner took a video for us. This washing machine shakes like a train at dusk. What's the problem? We suspect it's the hydraulic straight leg. As for after-sale service, he dismantled it to loosen the straight leg. You see, we don't dismantle it, so we apply some oil on it. Now, our straight leg has a cut. After removing the cut, it can be pulled out. There's a damper here. It plays a damping role. Then we will apply some of our damping oil to it and see the effect to see if it shakes. This one has been washed by someone else before. What did they apply? Butter. Butter will have the opposite effect. It is to increase the resistance. After you apply butter to it, it will become more lubricated and have the opposite effect. Apply our damping oil, caramel. You don't need to apply too much on our straight legs. Just enough. It's not that all of them have problems. We apply it. If it is used normally, we don't need to apply it. Now we put the straight legs back on. We went to work and wiped off the butter they applied. Now, after we apply our straight leg oil, you can see that the washing machine shakes very little. It's a perfect solution.